A very good morning to all my dear students. In previous video we have discussed about fat, but today we will discuss about proteins. Today we will discuss about proteins. First of all students, what is proteins? Let's see here what is proteins. Proteins are body building organic biomolecules. Okay, biomolecules. Okay students, now second is they consist of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus P. Okay students, okay. Nitrogen, now next point is the nitrogen is the most essential element in proteins. Okay, nitrogen is the most essential element in protein. Okay students, nitrogen is the most essential element in proteins. Okay, now next point is that proteins are insoluble in water okay, proteins are insoluble in water. Now next point is amino acids are building blocks of proteins. Okay, amino acids are building block of proteins. Okay students, now here example. Okay, first is milk, curd, paneer, meat, fish, etc. Okay, these are all the source of proteins. Okay students, now function of proteins. What is the function of protein? Functions. Transport, first is here. transports and store nutrients now second is proteins provide chemical proteins provide chemical material for the growth and repair of body cells and tissue. Okay, proteins provide chemical material for the growth and repair of body cells and tissue. Now third is ultimate source of energy. Ultimate source of energy. Okay, now last one, help in contraction of muscles. Contractions of muscles. Okay, students, now important points is that 10 to 35% of daily calories come from proteins. Okay, students, function of proteins here. Proteins are body building organic biomolecules. First, they consist of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and phosphorus, sulfur and phosphorus. But nitrogen is the most essential element. Nitrogen is the most essential elements in protein. Okay, proteins are insoluble in water. Amino acid are building blocks of protein. It means that proteins formed by a lot number of much more number of amino acids. Okay, now example of protein, source of protein is milk, curd, paneer, meat, fish, etc. Okay, function of proteins, transport and store nutrients. Okay, transports and store nutrients. Proteins provides chemical material for the growth and repair of body cells and tissue. Ultimate source of energy. Okay, proteins is the ultimate source of energy. Protein help in contraction of muscles. 10 to 35% of daily calories comes from the proteins in our body. Okay, students, now due to the deficiency of proteins, there are two diseases. First is kwashiorkor. First is kwashiorkor and marasmus. Okay, occur in children. Okay, two diseases, kwashiorkor and marasmus, is occur in children due to deficiency of protein. Okay, students, So in next video we'll discuss about next topic. So thank you, very thank you.